Hi guys, my name is Sherwin. I need the lighting soon. And yeah, today guys, my friend gave me another play button, and this is it. The plastic play button. You see, it's plastic. And if you read it in the back, there's a paper on it. You can read it. It's so dark. I can't even read it. So let me just read it for you. Congrats for gaining 10 subscribers. Since we told you that if you gain 10 subscribers, you can make, we will make you another one. But we misjudge you. So we make you on plastic play button for gaining 10 subscribers. But if you gain 20 subscribers, we make you another one. Guys, please subscribe to me if you're new in my channel, cause my friends will give me another play button. Please subscribe to me, and please, please subscribe to me now, cause I really want another play button. Look at this. Let me just show you another. Let me just show you this. Hi guys, this is the cardboard play button. I just tape it there so I cannot get there. Well, in my last video, I just get that, and today I just get this because I gained 10 subscribers. Please, 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 please.